Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for staying tuned. If you're new, thank you for coming, and please subscribe. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you guys for subscribing. I love you. This video is going to be showing you how I apply my foundation for oily skin. I have a very oily skin. Updated routine for applying foundation 2021, and trust me, this routine, if you follow the steps, you're going to have a long lasting makeup. Like, your makeup can last all day, trust me guys, all day. So yes, just follow the steps. I hope it's helpful. Please like, please comment, and yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. So with this, I'm signing out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hi everyone, thank you for staying tuned to my channel. So guys, I'm here to show you a foundation routine for oily skin. I have a very oily skin, so yes, this video is going to explain how you apply your foundation and for oily skin. First of all, you want to wipe off your face using a cleansing water. You can get any good products there, and all my products, by the way, for this video are Nigerian products. Nigerian brands are actually coming out strong, and I'm really proud and happy to be part of it. So yes, this is me wiping off my face just to remove any excess dirts from my face. And then I am also going to go in with my moisturizer. I'm using a black seed oil. I just like essential oil, I beg your pardon, and they're amazing. They smell nice and they're very effective, guys. I am going to make a video on my skincare routine. You see what I use. And so yes, I'm going in gently and then rubbing it into my skin. Trust me guys, this black seed oil smells heavenly. It smells really nice. And mind you, I'm also rubbing it down to my neck area, my forehead, all over my face. I'm not excluding any part of my face. After this, I am going to go in with what I call the banger, the plug, the main ingredient for oily skin while before applying your foundation. It's called the oil barrier, or rather the oil block and sweat block. We have so many products, so many brands doing this product, but here I'm using Adventure. They have really nice products, and this one works well for me. You can use a cotton board and just cotton wool rather and apply it all over your face, or you can use a brush. Here I'm going to be using a brush, and I just apply it all over my face, especially areas where you sweat a lot, after a long day or after long hours of wearing your makeup. So here's me applying all over my T-zone, my nose, my forehead, my chin area. And this doesn't stop you from applying your primer, guys. After this, I'm going to go in with Zikel poreless primer, and then I apply my foundation. So I'm going to leave this to sink into my skin for 5 minutes. You allow it dry up into your skin. It works better that way when you allow it to dry up into your skin. And guys, yeah, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel if you have, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, wait for 5 minutes after applying your oil block, or rather your sweat block, and then apply your primer. Guys, your primer is paramount, it's important. You have to apply your primer. After applying my primer and allow my primer to slip into my skin also, if you have a hand fan, the fancy hand fan, you could just put it right in front of your face and allow everything to slip into your skin. That way your foundation will last longer, and will go in smoothly. I'm using 2 shades of foundation. I like to mix my foundation all the time. One is my exact shade, the other is a shade lighter than my skin tone. And then I'm applying with a wet blender. I'm using a wet beauty blender to apply it all over my face. Mind you, I'm not this fast. I actually had to fast forward the video so you don't get bored while watching. So apply it all over your face gently, tapping it into your skin gently, gradually. You build up, guys, you build up, especially if you're not using a full coverage foundation. So you just know that you have to keep building up your foundation until you have the full coverage that you want. And don't forget, your neck area is very important, so everything can blend in from your face down to your neck. So here's me tapping in the foundation to my skin, my forehead, and this is my foundation. Like you can see, there's no difference between my face and my neck. And then after this, I'm going to contour and highlight. This foundation stays all day, doesn't ship, doesn't break, and I don't get to sweat. And I'm using all-time favorite concealer by LA Girl in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm using it to highlight my T-zones underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin. Yes, the basic highlighted areas, or the basic areas that need to be highlighted. Okay, so I'm going to use the same beauty blender, guys, and then just tap it into my skin gently. Okay, so just keep tapping it in your skin until you get your desired result. Like I said, I am not being fast. I only had to make this video fast so you don't get bored of the video. I am tapping it gently and slowly into my skin. After this, I'm going to contour with the same LA Girl products in the shade Beautiful Bronze. LA Girl has been here for a very long time, mind you, and they have amazing product. Their product, especially when you get the original one, it's really, really nice, and it's creamy, easy to blend, and it's absolutely fantastic. I just love their product. So here's me done with my highlighting. I am just making sure that there's no place that has not been blended well, and I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze to contour. This is my cream contour. I love the application of this concealer, so it's easy for you to use. Mind you, I'm in a hurry. You can actually apply this with a brush. So I'm using a brush, a big flat angled brush. You can use a small flat angled brush for precision, but I'm used to that brush, so I can easily use it. So guys, you can actually use a small brush to contour your nose, especially if you're a beginner. Now you just keep blending, you keep blending, you keep blending, you keep blending. Makeup is all about blending. Makeup is all about blending. Don't stop blending, guys. So I'm contouring my chin, my forehead, on the around my mouth area, and under my chin. That's where I'm going to contour my forehead. Around my forehead, that's where I'm going to contour. So guys, like I said, I'm contouring my chin, my forehead, around my mouth area, and under my chin, rather, and my cheekbones and all that, my forehead and all that. So that's where you contour, just above and around your T-zone where you highlighted. So yeah guys, so this is me contouring, and I'm using this flat angled full brush, and it makes it easy for you to contour. And I'm going over my beauty blender just to blend in my highlight I'm blending my contour together for oneness, just to blend everything all together. And after that, oh yeah, that's me, and then that's to highlight everything together. So yes, I'm going to go over with a powder, a compact powder. I'm using House of Tara powder, the 2 light shades, and I'm mixing them together, and I'm applying it over my highlights. Now the reason why you do this, like I said, this video is a detailed video for oily skin, how to make sure your foundation lasts longer. So this will actually absorb excess oil from your highlighting concealer. It will help absorb oil just before you apply your setting powder. And if you have excess oil, you want to try this technique, guys. It's amazing. And I'm going over with my setting powder now, after actually setting my highlights with a compact powder. And I'm using the setting powder from Nuban Beauty in alabaster. It's amazing. It's very soft. Their products are amazing, guys. And you want to try them out. So I'm setting all over my highlighted area right now. After that, I am going to contour using my contour powder from Classic Makeup USA. And just before my contour, I'm going to actually apply my compact powder. I'm using Milani powder in warm, and then applying powder all over my face. After setting my highlight, I apply powder all over my rest of my face, especially the places that I contoured. Just, powder, compact powder actually just help absorb oil, and it's setting your foundation, it's setting your contour, and setting your face as a whole. You don't want to go out using only foundation, especially when you have an oily skin. No. And make sure your choice of compact powder and mineral powders or matte poreless powders, they help you absorb more oil, especially if you have oily skin. So I'm going in with my highlighting powder again, just for precision. And then after this, I am going to contour my face using the Classic Makeup USA contour palette, my all-time favorite. I've been using it for years, guys. Their products are amazing, and their upgrade, oh my god. I'm going to also use a lipstick in this video, and you're going to see how it turns out to be. It's amazing, guys. So I'm going to contour with Classic contour palette, and they have amazing product. Like I said, they have their contour palette is one of my favorites. So I am going to contour my face. You're going to see me do that now. And the shades are amazing. The contour shades are amazing, guys. Really, really amazing. You want to try them out, and they're quite affordable. Yes, that's me contouring my face. By the way, I'm actually just applying this contour powder to the place I actually contoured with my cream contour in LA Girl. So it's the same thing you do. It's like applying setting powder on my highlights. It's the same thing. So powder is actually very necessary in your makeup. Don't just use cream product and not apply powder to it, especially when you have an oily skin. It's not going to work at all. So yes, it's me contouring, and then I'm contouring the bridge of my nose with a tiny brush. You can also use this brush for your cream contour. I just couldn't find it, so I make do with my big brush. I'm used to it. So I'm going to contour my nose, and then after that, I'm going to use a small Real Technique brush to just gently tap in my powder and dust off the excess. That's what I'm doing, and just dust off the excess. And then I'm going to go over with my brush, face powder, my powder brush without any powder, and just blend in, yes, everything together. Guys, blending is key in makeup. Just blend everything together. So this is it, guys. Keep blending. Here you go. This is my finished look foundation, highlighting and contour. And yes, went over to finish the rest of my makeup, my lashes, my lipstick, my brows. Yes guys, this is my finished look. So I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you as you do so. See you in my next video. Bye.